The picture-in-picture feature inside of Evmux is more than just a template. You're able to go ahead and customize the way it looks so that it meets your branding needs. You can utilize videos as backgrounds, you can share your screen, you could even do presentations and have your camera visible on top of that scene. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get this set up utilizing Pro Scenes and all the things you're able to do to customize it to fit your liking. So once you get inside of your Evmux account, you're going to want to come here to the Live Studio Editor. Now you're going to want to come to the Pro Scenes section here on the left hand side, and you can either start a new scene or you can use a scene that you already have. So I'm going to use this scene that has a background here, and the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and add our camera. So to be able to do that, here on the bottom you want to make sure you click this little gear and have your proper camera selected so that it appears here on the bottom left. Once you have that, you're going to select Add to Pro Scenes, and that's going to go ahead and bring your camera on screen. Now the first thing that we want is that you can simply just go ahead and resize this down if you like and just place it in a corner, and then anything in the background that you want to go ahead and add. But you can get a little bit more customized with this. So the first thing that I want to do is that I want to remove my lower third. So to be able to do that, you're going to select the element, you're going to click this little computer screen, and you're going to remove the unenabled here. That's going to remove the lower third. And now what I like to do is that I like to go ahead and click Style and Effect. I like to go ahead and round the corners and then come to Dimensions and select Stretch to Canvas. This is going to unlock freeform cropping, which is going to allow me to be able to make this any shape that I want. Where I want it to be a circle, there's a circle for my picture-in-picture, allowing me to have that customization. If I want it to be more of a rectangle or be a little bit more smaller, now I can have it there. So you can see here that your camera and the way you position your camera can be customized to how you like. You're not restricted to have just a box as your camera. So now let's go ahead and lock this here. So you can come here and lock it. That way it doesn't move anymore. You see that the background's the only thing that's moving. I can go ahead and lock that as well. And that's going to go ahead and allow me to be able to now to utilize the background and move things around how I like. So let's go ahead and start with an actual video. So adding a video as a background for a picture-in-picture, if you want to talk about a sports event or you want to review a video, it's just going to allow you to present and also have your camera on screen. So you can come here to the bottom and select Share Video. That's an easy way to do it. Or you can come here and go to your media library. So you can hit Add New Layer, go to Media Files, and you can upload an actual video if you want, or even a presentation, and then you can utilize a video that's already inside your library. So I'm going to utilize a video that I did called Auto Switching. This is a great feature that allows you to be able to switch between scenes automatically. So right out of the gate, you can see here that when the video came up, it hid my camera, and that's simply because of the positioning of where it's at. So all you want to do is you want to grab this and you want to make sure that it's under your camera, right? So you can see here now that you see me and you see myself. So now I can go ahead and be talking about this video that's going on, this presentation. This is why it's so powerful that you have Pro Scenes to be able to have picture-in-picture, but it takes it to another level by being able to customize it this way. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like when we go ahead and do a share screen. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this video. Again, it's going to give you my background. And then to share my screen, I want to come here to the bottom and I want to go ahead and select Share Screen. So let's say this is a screen that I want to share, right? So now you're going to see here, once you share that screen, and when you share your screen, you have the ability to share a window, to share a Chrome tab. Just keep in mind that if you share an entire screen or your Chrome tab, that you go ahead and select Share Tab Audio, right? So now what I want to do is I want to share this screen here, and you're going to see it's going to come here at the bottom. What I want to do is select Add to Pro Scenes, and now you're going to see that it's going to be added here for me. So again, I can come here to Dimensions, I can say Stretch to Canvas, and you're going to see here that now my screen is full screen, so I can move things around. And now what I want to do, again, your screen is above, so you want to move it down, right? So I'm going to grab it and then I'm going to bring it down. Now you can see here that now my picture-in-picture is set up. You see me on screen, you see my screen behind me. So anything that I'm doing on the secondary screen, you're going to be able to see, allowing me to be able to present and have access to this feature. It's simply just that powerful, and you're able to go ahead again, customize this to be what it is that you want. So you can shorten the way the screen share looks, allowing you to be able to customize it to give it more of a look. So let's say I unlock here, I can go ahead and bring this here. I can bring my share screen. So you can see here I just created a custom picture-in-picture screen, allowing me to go full screen to bring it down, and that is the power of the Pro Scenes tool. So if you want to learn more about other features that you're able to utilize with Pro Scenes to be able to truly personalize and customize your live streams or recordings, go ahead and check out this video where I go deeper into more Pro Scenes features and other features inside of Evmux to level up your content creation. I'll see you guys in the next video.